Xiaomi's subsidiary has launched the Redmi Note 14 series globally, including the Redmi Note 14 4G, 14 5G, 14 Pro 5G, and 14 Pro Plus 5G. The Redmi Note 14 series is now available in 10 European countries, including the UK and Germany, making Redmi the first brand to introduce the Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 chipset to Europe. This global launch follows the series' initial release in China in late 2024. Recently, the devices also became available in India, further expanding their international presence. It's worth noting that the European models of the Redmi Note 14 series feature altered specifications compared to their Asian counterparts. The Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G is positioned as a competitor to Google Pixel 8a, offering high-end specifications at an affordable price. Its key features include a 6.67-inch AMOLED display, up to 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of internal storage, Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 processor, a triple camera system with a 200-megapixel main sensor, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 2-megapixel macro sensor. The Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G is a budget-friendly option with features that overlap with the Pro Plus model, such as the AMOLED display and the 200MP camera. However, it's powered by the more economical MediaTek 7300 Ultra chipset. The Redmi Note 14 5G offers reduced specifications compared to the Pro models, making it a more affordable choice. Its key features include MediaTek Dimensity 7025 Ultra chipset and a 108-megapixel main camera. The Redmi Note 14 5G is currently available in Europe with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage for €299, while the Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G is priced at €399. Meanwhile, the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G costs €499. All handsets will go on sale starting January 15th via Xiaomi's official website.